Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Randy Wolfe here. Warrior Dividends. This is pretty cool. So, if you haven't heard yet, President Trump announced last night that they're going to be giving Warrior Dividends. This is a stipend type of payment it ends up being about a 1.3 million active duty are going to receive it. And then there's also about 174,000 of the reserve component is also going to receive this. And there's a couple of stipulations as far as what your rank. I think it goes all the way up to like O6 officer rank. But basically, they're going to get $1,776 in the form of one-time stipend, which is it was pretty awesome. 1776, obviously the year our country was founded. And when I heard about this, first and foremost, I thought this is well deserving. Our military deserves each and every benefit that they get. But it also made me think about how, with right now, our current environment that we're in the United States, things are expensive. There's a lot of things, the prices. I just ordered coffee last night on Amazon, and I ordered five containers of coffee, and it was almost $80. And I'm like, this is crazy how much stuff like coffee and these different things cost. And one of the things that we think about with as these prices go up, a lot of people's income is staying the same. It's not really going up much. And so something like this, this Warrior Dividend is going to help some of the members of our military. But again, what I was thinking a lot about is what if you could get $1,776 every month? What if there was a way to do that? Well, that's what this channel is all about. This channel is all about teaching people how to invest in real estate. Real estate is truly a way that you can easily do that. You can, with just a few rentals, you could surpass that easily on a monthly basis. If you had just one rental that the cash flow was after all expenses are paid, mortgages paid, taxes, property taxes, insurance, everything, CapEx, all the things that I talk about on this channel. If it just made $148 a month is what your cash flow was, that would be $1,776. And if you watch this channel, if you haven't, be sure to subscribe if you have any interest in learning about investing in real estate. I talk about how really you should shoot for a much higher amount than $148 of cash flow a month. And depending on where you invest in the country, there's opportunities to get 4, 5, 6, even $700 a month in cash flow, depending on the strategy that you use and that sort of thing. And so if you are somebody that maybe you're not military, but maybe you're a first responder, maybe you're a firefighter, maybe you're a police officer, maybe you're a teacher. I was a former teacher. I taught high school social studies and was a high school wrestling coach and football coach. And you're looking to do something to make some extra income, but you love what you do. You're passionate about what you do. I think about our military, how passionate many of the members of our armed forces are about being in the military. I think about how passionate our police officers are about being police officers, about being in law enforcement. Think about all the struggles that they go through in law enforcement. And the men and women that put the uniform on, they do it not for the money, they do it because they're passionate about what they do. So imagine getting to do what you're passionate about. If you're passionate, you're a teacher teaching our children, you're passionate about that. Imagine doing that, but being able to get additional income. And so that's what real estate ultimately can do for you in your life. And so if you're someone that hasn't even thought about investing in real estate, I would encourage you to subscribe to this channel right now. Do it now so you don't forget. And check out some of the videos on here, because that's what this channel is all about. It's teaching average people, just everyday people like you and me, how you can invest in real estate and it can completely change your life. I mean, I started literally investing in real estate. My first acquisition that I bought, as far as a house goes, I invested in some land. But the very first acquisition I bought with creative financing, it cost me $3,000 down. I negotiated what's called creative financing, and I talk about it on this channel a lot. But that's what really got things going for me. And I bought another house and another house and another house. And I use some strategies like the BRRRR strategy. I have a playlist on this channel that goes in depth on how to use the BRRRR strategy to basically recycle capital so you can buy more and more rental properties. But it was a game changer for me. You know, it was a game changer for me, and I know it's something that can be a game changer for you as well. But anyway, that's what I was thinking about with the Warrior stipend, and or Warrior Dividend was announced last night. I think it's a wonderful thing. I think our armed forces deserve every single benefit that they get, every benefit that they get, and then some. And so this Warrior Dividend is going to maybe hopefully help a lot of the families out there, military families out there, and maybe you're in the military, or maybe you're someone right now that's looking to add extra income to what it is that you're doing. And if so, I would consider investing in real estate. So as always, I appreciate you watching. If you haven't, again, subscribe to the channel, check out some of the other videos, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.